It's Monday morning, March 15th, and guys, American Airlines will just not quit. That was my swing trade over the weekend, ticker AAL, and as you can see off of this big gap, I had a pretty good start to the week. Looking at the minute chart here, you can see American Airlines got pretty well. I entered on the close on Friday. I got out around 7 this morning. You can tell I did get out a little early, got a little scared off of this sell-off, didn't want to risk losing any more profit. And I covered about, we'll call it 3.1%. So not too bad. But in profit, that was around $7,000. So that's really not bad, especially for the start of the week. I'm really happy to start it off with that big lump of profit there. So you can tell, yeah, I got it at 24.08 most of all. And looking at where it is now, maybe it could have held a little longer, covered a couple thousand more. But hey, $7,000 is not that bad. So looking back at the daily, I mean, if you've been watching all my videos, you've seen that I've been playing these green candles on the daily ever since, the fact that it hasn't failed all the way since February 17th, right? The last time you had that green where it failed was about a loss of 1%. Ever since this day back here, it has not failed off a green daily. So I'll keep trading it until I see it fail or until the pattern goes away. So why I also decided American Airlines, besides its perfect daily, was also the weekly. This is an important thing to look at on a Friday because, the stock is going into a new week and you want to see how it gaps off of a new week. And you can see that these green weeklies have been gapping ever since also pretty much, man, the last time it really failed a green weekly was back in November 23rd. The week of November 23. That was the last time it failed a weekly. So because the weekly was perfect and the daily was perfect, I knew American Airlines was going to be perfect. I went heavy and I covered big profit. Another thing to look at just to make sure, you want to look at the indexes. And I'm riding Dow Jones because, it's been associated with American Airlines. So I'm hoping the Dow Jones keeps going up with American Airlines, which it did. You can see the S&P has been pulling back off of these green dailies, and the NASDAQ has just been failing off of these greens too. So the fact that these indexes aren't doing too well, I don't want to be trading stocks associated with these indexes. Sticking with the Dow Jones, which, airlines, industrials, those are all associated with the Dow Jones. So that's why I'm sticking with that. And you can see American Airlines is moving up with the Dow Jones, like you can see on the chart. So not too hard to tell here. That's pretty much my mindset around these trades. And you can look at my watch list too and see that a lot of the stocks that were green on Friday were Dow Jones associated stocks. So not too hard to tell, guys. If you like these trades and you want to learn how I'm doing it, just subscribe below. And also, if you want to figure out what I'm swing trading and get more information from our group, just join the Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Find the link in the description below.